Hello, this video is about industries and processes. In an industry, raw materials are converted into products. The product may be a finished product or an intermediate product. A finished product is directly used and an intermediate product is further used in some process. The method which is used for conversion involves many steps. In chemical engineering, these steps are divided into two groups: unit operations and unit processes. Unit operations involve crushing, grinding, mixing, evaporation, drying, etc. Unit processes involve chemical reactions. Examples of unit processes are hydrogenation, halogenation, nitration, amination, etc. Let us have a look at some other factors associated with the production. These factors can be categorized as technological factors, factors associated with the economy, and factors related to environment and safety. Technological factors. Feasibility. The process must be feasible. Any process will look attractive on paper. It must be possible to manufacture the product using that process in a real environment. We have seen unit operations, unit processes examples. It is important to choose proper unit operations and processes. There are other technological factors such as conversion, selectivity, and yield. Economic factors. The process has to be economically feasible. The industry must earn some profit. Then only the industry will survive. There are other economical factors such as cost of equipment, cost of land, maintenance cost, and operating cost. Next comes safety. All the hazards associated with the method must be known. The industry must have some mitigation plan to avoid the hazard. There are some environmental factors. The industry must have pollution prevention practices. The production must take place in such a way that it has minimum impact or adverse effect on the environment. These are some of the factors associated with processes and industries. Please refer these books for further details. Thanks for watching.